Hello guys. So today I just got another card to put into my mining rigs. This is a GTX 1070 from Asus, overclocked from the manufacturer. I'm gonna put that in my NVIDIA rig. That also is my main gaming rig. I don't know if you see my other videos, but if you have, this is my AMD rig with two RX480s mining right now, and I also have another rig mining running NVIDIA cards that I will put this in, and I have it over here. So I just shut the computer down. But in here I have actually three 1060s mining and one 1070. And this is also my main gaming rig. So when I'm not gaming, I'm mining with all the cards, and when I'm gaming I just turn off the 1070 and game with that. The thing is, in this computer I only have I think it's 750 watt power supply. So, and I'm already I'm around 700 watts from the wall right now, so I don't dare put it in this card as well on that power supply. So what I'm planning to do is actually swap out the PSUs from this rig. It's a Corsair RM1000X gold plated, no, not gold plated, but gold rated power supply, and hopefully that would work. So I'm gonna put this card in the gaming rig and have the 750 watts power, just powered it to 480s here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I'm gonna let you guys know how everything goes when it's all plugged in and how the mining works. So see you around. Bye. And welcome back, guys. So everything is back up and running the FSP power supply here on the two RX480s, and I'm currently mining Gigabyte. Gigabyte had a huge spike today. It went from like 800 satoshis up to, I think the highest I saw was around 1400. So yeah, a huge leap for Gigabyte. And that's because there was I haven't read the news myself. I just heard it by rumor that something with Minecraft integrated Gigabyte somehow. I'm not sure exactly how it works, but I'm gonna read up on it. And over to my gaming rig. We now have two 1070s running and three 1060s mining, also mining Gigabyte. What I noticed was that by default I have a MSI. Hey, come back. Where's the picture? I don't know why it keeps doing that, but okay. Well, where were I? Oh yeah, the 1070. My 1070 MSI, it produces about 70, was it 75? No, 70, yeah, 70 mega hashes on Gigabyte. And the Asus I just got only produces 65 approximately. But also what I noticed I didn't know before is that the Asus one just runs off an 8-pin power connector, while the MSI has one 8-pin and one 6-pin. I don't know if you can see here, but there's an 8-pin and a 6-pin on the MSI 1070. So yeah, I should have done my research better on the Asus one before buying it, because if I knew it was only running on 8-pin, I probably wouldn't have got it, because it wasn't on sale either. So the Asus one actually cost me more than the MSI did when I got that one. It was like, yeah, 10% more expensive. and I get less out of it. So 65 megahertz is 7 from instead of 70. So yeah, this is all for now, I guess. So do you have any questions? Just post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.